Welcome to the Wellness Lab. I'm your host, Dr. Alok Patel. This is the place where we dive through so many different health topics so you don't have to stay up till 3 a.m. Googling about goji berries and their wonderful health benefits. They are delicious, but I don't know if those benefits live up to the hype. Today, we're gonna talk about protein. I know a lot of your ears perked up because everyone out there is trying to get swole. Now, I'm gonna crush a big misconception right now. A lot of people think that you gotta get protein from animal sources. It's just not true. There's a lot of protein sources from the plant world as well. A lot of people out there already get the recommended amount of protein every single day from their normal, well-balanced diet. And this is really important because proteins are essentially the building blocks of our bodies. Proteins are macronutrients that are energy dense, that are really complex molecules made up of about 20 essential amino acids that all come together to form this wonderful molecule called proteins that keep your body functioning appropriately. Do me a favor next time you're on social media. Look up #vegan-bodybuilder. Some pretty jacked individuals who only eat plant-based foods. Plants are a good thing. They're your friends. They're great for digestion, for helping your gut bacteria, for your heart health, for a lot of things. Today, I'm gonna run you through several different plant-based protein sources that I personally use. Remember, plants, aside from the wide variety of minerals and nutrients they have, also have more fiber, so they'll keep you fuller longer. Also, eating plants is better for the environment, just saying. So first up, is one that I started to use after my previous protein source, whey protein, started to rumble my stomach. My trainer who I was using was like, why don't you try a cleaner protein, like pea protein? I was like, what? Pea protein? So naked pea protein, I'm looking at the ingredients. There's one, yellow pea protein. I actually know what I'm putting into my body. And 2 scoops of this stuff, 27 grams of protein, and it has iron in it, a lot of other vitamins and minerals. I'll be honest, like a year ago, I didn't even know you could make protein powder from peas, but I'm glad they did. This stuff is awesome. I make some questionable smoothies with it that are still pretty good. I put it in different types of yogurt, Greek yogurt, and it kind of feels like a plant protein infused dessert. You do you, but just know that naked protein has your back. I try to eat healthy, try to eat well balanced, but I'm human and I do have a sweet tooth. And instead of running for candy, peanut butter has always been a go-to for me. Justin's Naturally Delicious peanut butter is like a godsend. I've started paying more attention to the amount of healthy fats I take in on a daily basis, and it's really easy to get a good amount of those healthy fats. Remember, we need fat. They're a good thing. You wanna make sure you get fat from a responsible source, but I get it from peanut butter, and I get it from a brand like Justin's where I actually trust what's in it. Now we're talking about satisfying your sweet tooth. What about your savory teeth? I often just want a salty snack. But it's not the best idea to go reaching for salt and just throwing it on things. So what about a salt substitute? Brought to you by a microorganism that will also give you some protein. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you nutritional yeast. Trust me, this stuff is legit. I started out slow by sprinkling it on like popcorn, and I was like, okay. And then I got wild. I now put it on pasta, salad. I even tried putting it on ice cream. I promise you I'm a trendsetter, and at some point there will be an ice cream shop in Brooklyn selling yeast ice cream. Mark my words, I want 10% of the profits, by the way. 1.5 teaspoons of this has 8 grams of protein. You can proteinify anything just by throwing a little bit of nutritional yeast on it. Pretty awesome. Eating more plants is just great for your overall health, from your heart to your digestion. And if you have questions about this, it's really important you chat with a healthcare provider or a certified nutritionist or dietitian. Be responsible about it, keep it green, keep it healthy, and know your options. And speaking of options, my early lunch dessert option is right here.